welcome back! My name is Bridie.
And I'm Amelia.
And today we're doing some macrame. And today we're making the famous macrame rainbow that I have seen literally everywhere in like nurseries, in I don't know, rooms.
And it's for the upcoming baby.
Yes, that's in this belly right here. And we will show you how to do that. Let's get to it. Today you'll need some rope, some wool in your choice of colors, and how many depends on you. And I've chosen these colors because they're neutral, because we don't know if we're having a boy or a girl yet. So don't assume that it's a boy because it's green.
Yes. Wait and see a few more weeks and we'll tell you. And then we've got a thinner cord to hang the rainbow up.
And then what you need to actually assemble this rainbow macrame, we have a hot glue gun that is necessary for it to dry faster, but I mean you could use different glue, but yeah, it's better. We have some fabric scissors for the rope, and we also have a little comb to fray the edges of the rope.
So I've just assembled the right size that I want for the rainbow. So it all depends on how big you want it or how many layers you want as well. But you've also got to remember that you want a bit of a fringe at the end. So I've probably left about 1.5 inches at the bottom, so then you can fray it out. So once you've done that, just cut the estimated length and you'll have your rainbow. A good tip is to mark a line across your rainbow where you want it to start and finish, so then it's all lined up and even and ready to go.
So what you're gonna do for the next step is get your colored yarn, and you're going to place it on the rope and place it upwards so that you can wrap over on itself. And then you're going to just pull it tight as you're wrapping so it is secure on the rope. And then you pull this little piece of yarn, pull it tight, and then so then it's secure on the rope. And then just keep wrapping.
So what you want to do is cut a bit of string, something smaller, and you can loop it onto the top of your rainbow, and that can become your hanging tool to hang it up on the wall. But firstly, I recommend that you would put that string on first before you start wrapping.
Yes.
Because I kind of forgot about it and just kept going on and wrapping and then realized.
We're wrapping together and she forgot.
Yeah, it's very therapeutic. So anyway, so put your string on first, then wrap. So make sure you put your string in half and then you just loop it through onto the bigger rope and then pull tight. Now you just want to wrap around the string so it covers the loop, and then you just got the cord left, like so.
So we have wrapped all 3 rainbow stripes. We've wrapped all 3 ropes for the rainbow, and I'll just show you how we glue the ends so it's secure. So for the beginning, it was a little bit different to gluing the end, and I'll just show you that. So what you're going to do is you're going to wrap the cord until your pen mark, and then you're going to hot glue onto the rope and then press down so then it adheres to the glue, and then cut off the excess rope. So before you go gluing all the ends that Bridie showed you, make sure you measure all the ropes together in your rainbow form and make sure they all line up at the bottom. So then if they don't, you can just unravel a little bit and then glue them again. And then glue them.
We have finished all of our rainbow colors, and then now what we are going to do, we thought we can add a texture. So add a plain rope and add in the middle of the
two colors, and then it creates more of a full rainbow, and it just breaks up that color and adds a bit of texture and makes it look nice and unique. This little baby is going to get a nice rainbow.
So now that you've done all that, you're going to glue all the rainbow ropes together and create your beautiful rainbow. A good tip is to start from the center rainbow rope and work your way out, and that helps with the shaping. How?
Are you right?
How? I need to rip a layer of skin off.
Oh, really?
Yeah, it really hurts. So once you've glued all your rainbow ropes together, then you're going to get your comb and you're going to card or comb out the rope to make it nice and fringy, and then cut off the excess to even it out. We did it! We made this cute little rainbow that we're gonna
so cute, and honestly, it's so easy to make.
So easy.
So easy.
Yeah.
So many people are buying them. I honestly suggest making it.
It's lots of fun too. You can make really big ones or really tiny ones as well, so you can do a lot with it.
All right, well, we hope you enjoyed this video. It was a nice craft DIY that we did for little baby that's on the way. We will see you later.
Yeah, see you next time.
Thank you for watching.
Bye.
Bye. Cool. Fabulous.
I love how you're doing all the getting up.
Yeah, what the hell?
And that can be big. And that.
There's the mower. When we're filming videos, there's always a mower happening.
Yeah, like the other day, right outside the window where we're gonna be filming.
We can't even film.
Let's eat lunch, I'm starving.
Yeah.
I'm in my tracky bag.
Yeah. And slippers. Look, this is our attire.
Party up the top. What's the word?